So today let us discuss square roots and cube roots, exercise 6.3 part 2. Find the square roots of the following decimal numbers. So decimal numbers, how can we find the square root of decimal numbers? Just like normal numbers, we put bars on the integer part and the decimal part separately. So 2.56 is given. So on 5 6 we keep one bar and on 2 we keep another bar. Now we'll see which number, whose number, we have to find out the number whose square is less than or equal to 2. So 1 into 1 is 1, remaining 1 here. So we bring this 5 6 down, we double the quotient 1. So 1 into 1, 1 into 2 is 2, and we put a box here and we have to fill this box such that the product of this new divisor and the quotient should be less than or equal to this new dividend. Therefore 26 into 6 is 156. Therefore 26 6 are 156, remainder is 0. So here after the integer part we put a decimal in the quotient also, because 5 6 is the decimal part. Before we bring it down, we put a decimal. So the answer is square root of 2.56 is 1.6. Similarly, 18.49. How can we find the square root of 18.49? We keep separate bars on 4 9 and 18. So what is the number whose square is less than or equal to 18? It is 4. 4 into 4s are 4 into 4s are 16. So we have 2 remaining here. So we'll double the quotient. So 4 into 2 is 8, and we put a box such that we have to fill the box such that the product of this new divisor and the quotient should be less than or equal to the new dividend 249. So since we have brought the decimal part down, we are also keeping a decimal in the quotient here. Okay, now 83 3s are 249, so remainder is 0. So the answer is square root of 18.49 equal to 4.3, 68.89. Similarly, keep separate bars on integer part and decimal part. Start the division method. 8 into 8 is 64. We have 4 remaining. We keep a decimal here in the quotient. We bring 8 9 down. We add 8 and 8, that is double the quotient 16, and then we put a box here. So what is the product of 163 and 3? It is 489. So 163 into 3s are 489. Remaining is 0. Therefore the answer is 8.3. Square root of 68.89 is equal to 8.3. 84.64. So again keep separate bars on integer and decimal parts and repeat the division process. 9 9s are 81, remainder 3. Put a decimal in the quotient, bring the decimal part down, double the quotient, 9 2s are 18, and then a box. So 182 2s are 364. So the remainder is 0. So the square root of 84.64 is 9.2. Find the least number that is to be subtracted from 4000 to make it a perfect square. First let us find out the square root of 4000 by division method. So 4000, 6 6 are 36, 6 6 are 36. So remainder is 4. Bring the 2 zeros down. Now double the quotient, 6 into 2 is 12. Then keep a box. 123 3s are 369. We have 31 as the remainder. So 31 is the remainder. So if we subtract this remainder from the number, we get the perfect square. So from 31 has to be subtracted from this 4000 to make it a perfect square. Find the length of a square, length of side of a square whose area is 4489 square cm. Area of the square is given 4489 square cm. So what is side? Side of the square is square root of area, because area is side square. If we want the side, we have to find the square root of area. So side of square is equal to square root of 4489. So square root of 4489, let us find out by division method. On 8 9 we keep one bar. On 4 4 we keep another bar. 6 6 are 36. 6 6 are 36. So remainder is 8. We bring this 8 9 down. 6 plus 6 is 12. So 127 sevens are 889. So remainder is 0. Therefore square root of 4489 is 67. So the side of the square is 67 centimeters. If you like my video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.